Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 4.1. In the diagram, the circle centered at N passes through A and C. B, C, D, and E are joined to form a parallelogram such that BE is parallel to the x-axis. CD is a tangent to the circle at C, and CD is equal to 6 units. Write down the length of the radius of the circle. We are asked to write down the radius of the circle. So the radius is the distance from the center to the circumference. So we have point N and A. We can use these 2 points because they have the coordinates. Okay, so we have this distance AN, which is the radius. So it says write down. So it means we don't need to calculate somehow. So we can we can just see that from the x coordinate of N is -1. The x coordinate of A is -1. So this is a vertical line because the x coordinates are what? Are the same. So this is a vertical line. So we can just add. Say from the distance from here up to the x-axis, this is 3 units. And then the distance from the x-axis to A is 1 unit. Okay. And then 3 plus 1 is what? Is 4 units. So AN, or the radius, is equal to 4 units. Okay. Right. Even the distance formula, I can use the distance formula here. Okay, let's just do it. But it says write down the length of the radius. So this is just enough. This is just enough. Okay. So let's say maybe you want to use the distance formula. I can say AN is equal to the square root of x coordinate of N is -1. So it's a -1 minus the x coordinate of A minus -1, like this. Then squared, then plus the y coordinate of N is 3 minus the y coordinate of A, which is minus -1 squared. Okay, so it means AN is equal to, this will be 0. Okay, 0. Then we just remain with 4 squared here. This is 4 squared. And then the square root of 4 squared, you can see that AN is equal to, so this is 4 squared, not 42, 4 squared. Okay, 4 squared. Then the square root of 4 squared is what? Is 4. So AN is 4 units, meaning that the radius is 4 units. Okay, right. So we'll meet when I'm doing question 421.